Have you ever thought about making money literally while you're asleep? Well, today, that's exactly what we're breaking down. We're going to look at a blueprint for creating your very first passive income product, the Digital Planner. I know what you're thinking. It sounds, well, a little too good to be true, doesn't it? Could a simple digital file, something you make just one time, really turn into a steady stream of passive income? Well, let's dig in and find out.
So, this is what people call the create once, sell forever model. And it's pretty amazing. You put in the work upfront to make one really great digital product, and then you can sell it over and over and over again. Think about it. No inventory, no shipping costs, none of that headache. It's just a straight shot from your creative idea right to your customer.
Okay, so why budget planners? I mean, you could create anything, right? Well, here's the thing. People are always looking for ways to get a handle on their money. This isn't some flash-in-the-pan trend. It's what we call an evergreen need. That means there's always going to be a demand for good tools that help people do just that. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Your first move on this whole journey is figuring out what kind of planner to make. And the secret sauce here is pretty simple. Find a need and then fill it with your awesome product. You can start with the classics, Things like a monthly budget planner or a weekly expense tracker. These are the fundamentals. They're perfect because they appeal to a really wide audience, especially people who are just getting started on their whole financial wellness journey. But you don't have to stop there. Once you have the basics down, you can start getting more specialized. Think about creating planners for something super specific like paying off debt or a tracker for building up an emergency fund. These tools are aimed at a much more targeted audience. And you know what? That audience is usually more than happy to pay for a solution that's tailor-made for their problem. Now, the format you choose is a pretty big deal. You've got two main options here. First, the printable PDF. It's simple, it's classic. Your customers can just print it out and fill it in with a pen. Super straightforward. But then you have the spreadsheet planner. This is where things get dynamic. It can do all the math for you, track your progress. It's a huge bonus for anyone who likes to keep their finances all digital.
Okay, so you've got your killer idea. Now for the fun part, actually designing the thing. And seriously, let me just say, this is way easier than you probably think. You absolutely do not need to be a professional graphic designer to make something that looks great and works perfectly.
And check this out. This is basically your design toolkit, and I bet you already have access to most of this stuff. Canva is just amazing for creating beautiful PDFs, and it's so easy to use. And then, of course, you've got the heavy hitters, Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. These are the powerhouses for building those smart, interactive spreadsheet planners.
Look, we can break the whole creation process down into 4 really simple steps. Seriously. 1, open up your tool. 2, design the most important pages, like your income and expense trackers. 3, and this is key, keep the layout clean and easy to use. And 4, export your file. Boom, that's it. You literally have a product that's ready to sell.
Oh, and here's a little pro tip for you. If you want to add some serious value, offer an editable version. This lets your customers tweak things, like change the colors or rename categories to make it perfect for them. It's such a small thing, but it can really make your product stand out from the crowd.
All right, product is done. Check. So, where do you actually sell this thing? Let's dive into the best places to set up your digital shop and get that planner in front of paying customers.
You've got some really solid options here. First up, Etsy. It's a massive marketplace, and the best part is it already has a built-in audience of people actively searching for products just like yours. If you want something super simple to get started, Gumroad is fantastic. And hey, if you're someone who wants total control over your brand, then building your own Shopify website is definitely the route to take. Okay, your digital storefront is officially open. So how do we get people to actually show up? This is where marketing comes in. Let's talk about the best ways to attract those all-important first customers. When it comes to marketing, you've got to go where your people are hanging out online. And for planners, Pinterest is an absolute goldmine. It's super visual, and it drives a ton of traffic for sellers. And don't forget platforms like TikTok and YouTube. They're perfect for making quick videos with budgeting tips or tutorials that, you guessed it, show off your planner in action. So what should you actually post? Well, the #1 rule is to provide value. Don't just spam people with "buy my planner" posts. That doesn't work. Instead, show them how your planner solves a real problem they have. A post titled "How to Save Money with a Budget Planner" works so much better because you're helping them first and selling to them second. See the difference?
Phew, okay, we've gone through the whole process from that first idea all the way to marketing. Now, let's get to the part that I know you're excited about, the part that gets the heart pumping. Let's talk about the money. What can you actually earn with this?
Let's throw out an example price. How about 12 bucks? That's a super reasonable price, right? Especially for a tool that could literally help someone get their entire financial life in order. That's some serious value.
Okay, now for sales, let's set a totally realistic goal. If you're marketing consistently on a place like Etsy or Pinterest, selling 150 of these in 1 month, yeah, that's completely achievable. And this is where the magic happens. You take that $12 price, multiply it by 150 sales, and you're looking at a potential monthly income of $1,800. Just let that sink in. $1,800 a month from one single file you made one time. That is the power of passive income we've been talking about.
And you know what? It doesn't stop there. The real beauty of this whole thing is how you can scale it up. That $1,800 a month, that's from just one planner. Imagine you create a whole collection, 10, maybe 20 different specialized planners. Your income can grow and grow without you having to do a whole lot more day-to-day work.
So there you have it. We've walked through the entire blueprint, from the spark of an idea all the way to the potential paycheck. The opportunity is very real. The tools are right at your fingertips. And trust me, the demand is out there. So really, there's only one question left. Your first digital product is just waiting to be made. What's it going to be?